Hi, everyone. Welcome to Daily English for Beginners. Today, we are going to enjoy a simple English conversation between a passenger and an airport staff member. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the conversation. Let's start. David arrives at the airport for his first international trip.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Sky Airlines. How may I help you today?
I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Certainly. May I see your passport and your ticket, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Just a moment while I check your booking.
Sure.
Everything looks good. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, I have one large suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay.
Perfect. Your suitcase weighs 18 kilograms. You're within the limit.
That's great.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I'd love a window seat if one is available.
Let me check. Yes, you're in luck. We still have one available.
Wonderful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your flight departs at 10:30 a.m. Boarding begins at 9:45.
Which gate should I go to?
Gate 18. After security, turn left and follow the signs.
Thank you very much. This is my first international flight, so I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Everything is clearly marked, and our staff will be happy to help you if you need anything.
That makes me feel much better. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful trip.
Good morning. Boarding pass and passport, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any liquids over 100 milliliters?
No, I don't.
Do you have a laptop in your backpack?
Yes.
Please take it out and place it in a separate tray.
Okay.
Please remove your watch and place your phone in the tray as well.
No problem.
Now please walk through the security scanner.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes. Everything looks fine. You may collect your belongings.
Thank you very much.
Have a pleasant flight. Inside the airport.
Excuse me. Could you tell me where gate 18 is?
Of course. Go straight ahead, then turn right after the coffee shop. You'll see gate 18 at the end of the hallway.
Is it far from here?
Not at all. It's about a 5-minute walk.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
At the coffee shop. Welcome. What would you like today?
Hi. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Certainly. Would you like a small, medium, or large?
A medium, please.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes. Could I have a blueberry muffin?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $8.
Can I pay by card?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Here's your coffee and your muffin. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Airport announcement. Attention passengers. Sky Airlines Flight 204 to London is now boarding at Gate 18. Passengers in Group A may now board the aircraft.
That's our flight.
Yes. Let's get ready.
I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Just follow the line.
Thank you.
At the boarding gate. Hi. Good morning. May I see your boarding pass and passport, please?
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching Daily English for Beginners. I hope you enjoyed today's conversation. Follow us for more simple and useful English conversations. See you in the next lesson.